Leading with the left hand there, Shin-Hye, and sends in 4 punches. Whoa! Oh, nice, left and right. Oh, that's in a lot of trouble, Lee. Shin-Hye really going through it, and it's over. What a finish that was, and look at how happy he is.
Tonight's contract is going to go to Shin-Hye. Very deserving of the contract, so thank you so much. Congratulations.
Мэдээж аврагын бүсний төлөө тоглоно. Мэдээж дутуу юмнуудаа нөхөд аврагын бүсэл авах хэрэгтэй. Нэг биш. Дээд дооч юм бүгдийн.
Zoltsatseg Shinachatka of Mongolia wearing the blue gloves against Kurironda. We are in Singapore at a closed event. It's the Rich Franklin's One Warrior Series. No need to play to the crowd here tonight because it's a closed event by invitation only. On the line, a future lucrative career with one championship. Both of these guys know it clearly, Mitch.
Wow, good head movement from Shin-Hye as he's moving in and out with some wild striking, but you can see Ronda gets nice and tight there with a right hand of his own.
Takes a lot of trust in your own ability, doesn't it? Just simply to use head movement as your line of defense there, which he was for a little while. Spinning back fist, missed. Oh, come on in at me, says Shin-Hye.
Shin-Hye has a very unique style about him. You can see he's trained in a variety of martial arts.
Left-handed, such a fluid mover. And I think that was what you were remarking upon, but he just dropped that left hand seemingly out of nowhere. But you could tell the movement was expert.
Ready? Go!
I think this one might be a little bit explosive, Pete.
I do believe so. Both extremely sharp strikers, marvellous techniques from both of these guys. I've seen Shin-Hye before, and he was explosive then. He's got good hands, but Ali has got the sharpest legs you've ever seen.
With a lead right jab, and now the hammer blows come down, and Ali Mohammed is under a lot of pressure. We're inside the first minute of this contest. The blows are heavy. He sees a little window to come up, and down they go again.
Oh, back into side control. It looks like Ali's got his head tied up by Shin-Hye. Shin-Hye is sitting down in side control right now.
Down, up, down, up.
2 minutes into the contest, and we are asked to reposition ourselves in the centre of the cage. The last time we saw this, the pace was blistering. Let's see if it repeats itself.
Both back up on their feet. I know this is where Ali wants to be. He has sharp leg kicks. I've seen him kick a bag before, and it's like he wants to take the thing off the ceiling. Would he have the confidence to throw those now after that first exchange? Because Shin-Hye caught him with a big shot.
Ali Mohammed is 28. Shin-Hye is quite a bit younger, 22 years old.
Shin-Hye's confidence, 22-year-old.
He certainly does have to work Ali Mohammed from Iran. Tehran, in fact.
Maybe Shin-Hye before. They are special.
That's a great, another good lead right hand. Second time he's thrown that, and it comes in with...
Indeed. And he's throwing that kick and covering with a spinning back fist.
Goes for the single leg.
He gets it, he gets the takedown, and that was a smooth takedown and transition into side control. Let's see where this goes from here. Well, it's into half guard on those as well, and Shin-Hye doing a good job just pulling it close so nothing can happen.
Ready?
And he's fat, isn't he? Very lean. Those long arms showed what damage they can do to the side of the body. You can see.
I think that Ali has taken this as a reset to the matchup. So Shin-Hye.
We're hearing noise.
Yes.
There it is again.
Ali has good wrestling in his books as well. Solid shot to that outside of, I'm hoping we get to see more.
Certainly wrestling the blows coming down, the referee is poised, and these are landing, these blows, and that double whammy's at it again because the head's bouncing off the canvas, unanswered blows, and then no surprise that the referee steps in. Shin-Hye.
Winner.
Blue corner ready. Red corner ready. Go!
Oh, big fast start.
Yeah, Shinhei is absolutely lightning in a bottle. He is extremely explosive.
Samart goes up high with the leg, but Shinhei leans back.
Comes out the corner.
Had a few screens tonight.
Those
Attacks the
after
outside of
wins,
that
though.
leg.
Beautifully stacking that leg.
Lead leg has already taken some abuse, and that's a big overhand left that comes in.
Chan Samart has got to let him just have target practice.
Shinhei is looking to finish this one quickly, isn't he? But Samart stands there, hope his own.
Shinhei is so quick with his flurries and his body shots.
And he gets out of distance quickly as well. So if Samart is going to send that kicking, he's got to reset quickly with the counter. But these two, oh perhaps, that really opens things up for the counter punch. And Samart landed on the button there. Good, fast left hand from Shinhei. Zotsatsu.
I like how Shinhei's using that leg kick. He's setting up that beautiful leg kick and he's skipping in with those punches.
Well, these fellas are going at it.
These guys are incredible.
Did you see that elbow forearm from Samart there?
Samart is really reacting to anything that Shinhei does. Any kind of a feint, any kind of a shoulder motion. You know, Samart is reacting in a defensive way, which could lead to Shinhei getting the better of those exchanges, because anytime you can get someone to react to what you want really means that you're in control.
Just little taps, are they? Digging in deep to the side of the torso. Outside of the ring, the connection from elbow to head was made there, so that's good enough reason, certainly, for Ian Cartwright to reposition them into the center and somewhat disheveled hair.
Go! Go!
Couple of forearms there just before the bell signals the end of the opening round.
Ready! Go!
Second round. Shinhei from Mongolia, Chan Samart from Cambodia. Sure, you just like to see people get down to business.
Well, I certainly think
And he's landed a few leg kicks here. I like to keep seeing him go back there. Elbows off the catch.
To the top of the head, and it's furious action. Couple of straight left hands that rocked Samart's head backwards.
Shinhei's got to do something about that hair.
And the right hand dropped Samart, superb.
Opposite, so as soon as they break, Shinhei's taking the hair out of his face. Nice double leg takedown from Shinhei.
Too, wasn't it?
Doesn't have to worry about the hair so much here on the ground.
That's going to wind you going down that heavily.
one of my favorite takedowns at that kind of double leg back heel trip.
Stop!
Saves a lot of work
Reset.
in having to lift somebody when you can just come.
Half guard, half guard.
So Samart gets repositioned.
Half guard.
Shinhei's instructed to take half guard.
Go!
They can pull him down.
There it is.
Oh, yes, this could be an
Might be
armbar.
tight.
It's going to be transitioning. Oh,
Down there's the triangle. It's locked in.
it's almost locked. Almost. He's got it there.
Just
See
gotta
those
pull it
feet?
down.
Oh, there.
Almost.
He should have been able to get that locked in there, but he missed that window. Big slam
Mix
from
him up.
Shinhei.
Now you're not allowed to slam on the head, neck, or spine, so he's got to be careful there.
Side of the body, hammer blows to the head. There's that punch to the
Right.
body again, reddening the
Reset.
side,
Center, center,
left
center.
side of Samart. And
Did not want to go back down. He's like, why can't we just start on the feet again? Power. See how overwhelming that is.
Yeah.
there it was again in the dying moments of that second round.
Go!
See if he can exhibit some more of that forehand. It's so much quicker. He's just taking it. Oh, left it with the left hand there. It was something of a counter. Dropped his opponent. And what? Is that your parkour move that you once referenced, Mitch?
Beautiful Superman punch into a carp.
We see now what we didn't see
Hey,
in the
hey,
Rio
hey, hey,
Olympics.
Stop!
You know
Stop.
that one is making it to the highlight reel. That
might
was
be.
beautiful.
He did get a yellow card, we're being told.
He will take 10 kicks. He's been able to do he's landing successfully.
Right and left hand really got hold of those punches, and now Samart's in big trouble. He comes back with a right hand that didn't land, but he took 6 or 7. He'll go for the takedown.
The chin on Samart is
Oh,
something
boy.
special. Must got a head full of concrete.
20 seconds of
Stop!
the final
Stop,
round.
stop, stop. Reset.
Yet another reset.
Down, down, down.
Man, I wanna see these guys on the feet
down,
again.
down, down.
Come on, Smart, get back up. Let's do some more exchanges.
He just doesn't like that,
Go.
does he?
He was with you.
A rope between them, both heads outside of the ring,
Same position.
and you watch Samart be a little bit reluctant to get back down.
Down. Guard. And
Can you
go.
blame him?
Really. Final minute, Mish.
Winner.
Is ready to show you what can be done from this platform.
Both of them switching stances. South on the other.
Oh, nice.
Big
Left and right.
punches.
That's in a lot of
Right
trouble
from the
there.
king.
Shinny really going for it, and it's over. What a finish that was, and look at how happy he is.
Man, you can't not leave your chin up in the air when you are facing Shine's Zoltec. Winner!